Hey, this is Mike with Skolton's Equipment. We're out at a potato field. We're checking out a tractor we have on rent. It's a Kubota M7. It's on a potato vine shredder, so we're just going to check it out in action. It's got really skinny tires. You might remember from a previous video, this is the tractor with the really narrow tires on it. It's got 270s on the rear and I think 230s on the front, spaced at 66 inches wide, centers. But what they're doing is they already sprayed this. They killed it, and now they are shredding it and getting ready to dig some potatoes. So we're gonna get some action shots, talk to the operator, and see what's up. Probably not. Like, I probably wouldn't go over 25. Okay. Because this tractor it'll go fast. Yeah. If you found it.
It goes fast, but I also wondered about these wheels are not.
The wheels are. I'm not so worried about. It's the tires. Yeah, tires are. Those skinny of tires kind of make me wonder what they're rated.
Now that you're here, what's this battery?
Okay,
switch?
Yep.
But it's always on. What is it?
Okay, so when you shut it off, if you're gonna shut it off for more than a couple days, it's not bad. That's like a battery kill. So it'll save the batteries. So it's a smart switch, but if you're gonna start it again every day for a few days, I wouldn't worry about it.
If we're gonna be down for a week or so.
Yeah, then I'd shut it off. That way, in case you left something on, it won't kill the battery.
So what's that switch that's in the battery box?
That's a master. Yeah, that's another one. There's two. This is more of like a really smart one. So even if you shut it off, it will still cycle the batteries for like 2 minutes to pump some of the DEF fluid through. It's more of a smart one. The one on the battery is like a straight up. It's off.
It kills it.
Kills everything. I think it shut it off, didn't it? Did it? Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Yep. It still flailed for a little bit, but you can see this here.
Oh, okay.
It's on.
Perfect.
But the rest of it, big cab for a big guy like me. Everything, once you figure this out, then
And the cool thing about this tractor that like I've never seen on any tractor is once you get it all set up, if you wanted to, you can take that screen out and it will still, everything will still work. Yeah, but you can adjust if you didn't want someone to mess with all that stuff.
Okay.
So that's what a lot of guys in California are doing if they don't want guys to mess with it. Have you filled up with DEF at all? Or had to?
No, I'm looking at the gauge.
It's full. It doesn't. It's kind of crazy to me, the Kubota. You're not the first one. Like the other one we sold, the guy says he hardly ever filled it up with DEF, which is pretty cool. So you record one, and you could record two, but it's kind of off time.
I gotta do something. Otherwise it'll be a long day.
You want to play with it? It's all you do to record. Unlock it. So now it'll work. So when we get close, you just have to push record, and then we're recording 1. So then when you're done recording, all you have to do is press stop. So we'll see.
As soon as I get out.
Well, when you get close, we'll record the exit, and then we can record the entrance as number 2. So all you can do is press 1 or 2, you know, 1 button in, 1 button out. Beautiful day.
Yeah. Usually, this is the nicest place to view Tom Baker.
Oh, if the clouds weren't there.
Yeah.
So if you want, just push the record button now. We can edit it afterwards. So it's recording what you do. So now just do what you normally do.
I usually turn without a stop. Should I stop?
You know, you can do whatever you want.
Stop.
So push 2, yeah? Here, move. You have to push that one. Now you're doing 2. So now you can, yep. If you want to back up, we can try it.
Sure.
Turn it off a second. There we go. Yeah, go up. We'll try a re-entry now just by using number 2. You see those buttons 1 and 2 they're lit up green now? Yeah, so they'll work. And you could try to re-record if you want.
Yeah.
Doing push down, and then it will push the cruise too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you record
everything I do.
Oh yeah, everything you do except wheel move. Like it won't record the wheel,
Right.
but it'll record everything else.
So it'll all come on.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And you know how to record it now.
Yep.
Well, it's a pleasure.
All right.
Like, let me know if you have any questions.
Yeah, thanks for teaching more stuff. I like trying stuff, but I need to know what it.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess with something that I don't know what I'm getting into. But as far as the recording,
Yeah.
I'll be trying.
You can try as many as you want.
Yeah.
Just make sure, yeah, it's that screen is the one. So if you want to shift like your recording to be 1, or you can record a 1, 2. Those are so you can record 4 times before you have to re-record over something.
How do I delete the stuff I had before, or will it?
Trash can.
Okay.
That trash can right there.
I might do the re-recording over there.
Sounds good.
All right.
Alrighty. Thank you. Nice meeting you. That was pretty cool. It's always fun to ride with someone who really is very interested about learning about stuff, the functionality of the tractor. Sometimes that stuff on newer tractors can scare people, and they just want to know how to put it up and down. But Johnny there, he definitely was very curious about everything that tractor can do, and the tractor can do a lot. So that was very nice to know. Well, we gotta get back to the office. Thanks for watching Tractor Therapy. See you next time.